Have you ever wondered how a simple drink could transform your health? Imagine starting your day with a powerful elixir that boosts your immunity, aids digestion, and much more. Stay with us as we reveal the 5 incredible benefits of drinking garlic and ginger in hot water every day. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First up, did you know that this potent combination can significantly boost your immune system? Both garlic and ginger are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help fend off illnesses and keep your immune system strong. Imagine going through the flu season without a single sick day. Next, let's talk about digestion. Drinking garlic and ginger in hot water can help regulate your digestive system. Ginger, in particular, is known for its ability to soothe the stomach and improve digestion, while garlic promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Picture yourself enjoying meals without the usual discomfort or bloating. But that's not all. This magical drink can also enhance your cardiovascular health. Garlic has been shown to reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, while ginger improves blood circulation. Think about it: a healthier heart with just one simple drink a day. Additionally, garlic and ginger in hot water can aid in weight loss. These ingredients help boost metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Imagine fitting into your favorite clothes again without the struggle of crash diets or exhausting workouts. And finally, this powerful combination can help detoxify your body. Both garlic and ginger have detoxifying properties that cleanse your system of toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Picture yourself with clearer skin, more energy, and an overall sense of well-being. Ready to transform your health with this simple drink? Start today by incorporating garlic and ginger in hot water into your daily routine. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and amazing recipes. Leave a comment below on how you plan to use this powerful drink in your life. Let's embark on this journey to better health together.